My pineapple that I bought yesterday night, my lovely plantain. This plantain is so nice. I bought it yesterday. They said it's Bendem plantain, but it's actually very nice. It's just me and my little boy watching mommy's video. Hey, let me see your teeth. My boy is growing teeth now. Let's see. The cheese. The cheese. The teeth. Let's see the teeth. The teeth. Look at my boy's teeth. Cheese. Hey. Hey, what's up, guys? What's going on? How you guys doing? Welcome back to my video. Welcome to another vlog. This is a new vlog. New day, new vlog. I just finished filming my video right now. I just finished filming the video that I posted, letting you guys know that I'm back on YouTube. So right about now, I'm just stepping out of the house. I need to go pick my children from school, even though I'm very late. Then if time permits me, I'm still going to look for some solid cereals for my boy, my baby, in H Medics, and hopefully stop by to get some few things. Are you fasting this January? If you are, well done. If you are not, try again somewhere in between this year. Look for the right time to fast. Starting the year with fasting is usually quite helpful, even though it's a bit taxing because your body will be weak, everything will be weak, but it just makes you feel like you're starting the year right, like you're starting spiritually. You need to be spiritually strong. So if you're not starting this January, you can start any time of the month. Anytime you feel like it's the best time, it's good to be spiritually close to God. So let's go pick the kids, then from there we can go on, carry on whatever activities we want to carry on. I'll see you guys when I pick the kids. Okay, bye. Yeah. Hey fellas, how you guys doing? What's up? Good day. Today is another brand new day. Yesterday the vlog was just anyhow. Since I made that intro, I went to pick my kids. I didn't do any other thing in the house, so I didn't even bother to film. I didn't even bother to pick my camera. But today, this is 1 p.m. today, and I'm just about to eat my breakfast because I've not eaten since morning. So we got this pancake mix. This pancake mix, my husband got it yesterday because I asked him to look for Hungry Jack, and the one we usually use before is the buttermilk one. He didn't see it, so this is the one he got. I don't know this one, to be honest. Food Town quality and value. Food Town pancake and waffle mix. So this is it. Even though after he got this one, he went into another supermarket and he was able to get the Hungry Jack one, but I want to try this other one because I opened it this morning to wait for the kids, but I haven't tasted it. So let me make this one and see how it's going to be like. Let me eat this and one either scrambled egg and sausage. Just one is enough. So let's make this happen, okay? Join me in making my simple pancake. The reason I like this pancake is no stress. You just mix it. I usually like to make my pancake from scratch, but these days these children now want to be taking pancake to school early morning, making pancake from scratch. I said no way, please, let's buy pancake mix and I'll be mixing it for them since they like it. I don't mind. So far it's for them. Me, I can be making mine from scratch because I noticed this one is too light and I made it very light. Maybe it's because of the air infused in it. To not hold belly, not for somebody that is hungry. I like that from scratch one is usually better. But let me try make it and see. I'll give you guys my review on this, okay? My pancake is ready. It's fluffy though. It's fluffy as you can see, but it's not swollen. Like it didn't swell. The one I usually buy swells very well. Like
it helps the speaker lead his audience into the scene he describes by creating an imaginary picture. Usually it's something that moves.
so, let's go eat this. So what do you have to say, G babe?
I want you to buy toy, cuts, and toys, and
guys, these are my lovely kids. And for the big one, hi mama, come and show us your teeth now. Show us your teeth. Let's see. Oh my god, my daughter just lost her first teeth. Yeah, like first teeth coming out. And Tooth Fairy gave her some money. Yeah, so right now she wants to go and buy some few things. She said I should take her to the kids store where they sell party packs and some dolls. She wants to go and buy some things with her money. And guys, these kids of these days are getting too wise. I don't understand them at all. Do you know that this girl was telling me that I should just tell her the truth? Who really dropped that money under her pillow? That she's suspecting me and her dad. That we should just tell her, the truth. That it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Just tell me the truth. Who is the person that dropped that money under my pillow? And I am telling her that it's Tooth Fairy and she's doubting me. Are you doubting me? Okay, oh, no wahala. So you know that used to make me tired by disturbing me every day and shouting, mommy, mommy, mommy.
Mommy, I don't used to.
You don't used to do that, right?
See you.
Okay. So let me give you guys chewing gum.
Yeah, that's it.
But I'm just going to give you guys one so you guys can share one, okay? That's how it is because your teeth is going to fall out. Mama, sit down, okay? Sit down, bring your hand down. So let me give you that. Let me share for you guys, okay? Okay, this was sewing. How does it look like here group? So you bought your doll, right? And even this one that did not lose any teeth. Let me see your teeth. Your teeth is intact. You also got a doll. Are you supposed to?
Anybody teeth, big sister's teeth doesn't remove.
It's only baby sister. Abi?
Not
Yeah.
big girls, only baby sisters.
Okay, so let's go.